Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I will show how to create a bookmark list or bookmark database in Notion. I was inspired to create this video by Mozilla, who recently announced that they are shutting down their very famous bookmark application Pocket, formerly Read It Later. And if you don't know what Pocket is, it's probably too late to learn. But just in case, here how it looks like, you can see that it has a pretty nice interface, and it also has a lot of useful features. You can also have this icon in the browser toolbar, which you can click to save any article from the web, add text, whatever you need. A lot of useful functionalities, definitely better than inbuilt browser bookmark functionality. And since Mozilla announced that they're shutting it down, a lot of people started looking for a replacement. Actually, me as well, because I've been using this application for more than a decade, I guess. And the answer is actually on the surface. The answer is Notion. So in this video, I will show how we can recreate basic Pocket app functionality with Notion. To do this, we will need a few things. And the first one is the Save to Notion browser extension, either Chrome extension or Mozilla extension. So just let's add it to the browser. Let's pin it. And we will do setup later. Let me tell you now what is the second thing we need. And the second thing we need is a basic bookmark database in Notion. You don't need to add too many features, too many fields here. As you can see, I have only name, text, URL, and date. Anyways, this extension, when you will save articles, it will allow you to add a lot more information. So let's check how it works. Let's open some article, click on this extension, add a form, and here you have pre-built functionalities, but let's, in this particular case, since we already have a database, let's click add to existing page database. Here you will need to link to your Notion account, but since I already use this application, this extension, I have it already here. And here we choose database, bookmarks in our case, and here we just need to map the fields, and it mapped few of them automatically. Name is page title, content image is main image, clip action is bookmark, okay. Template, I guess we don't need it for now. Very important, at least from my perspective, is to add date, and instead of publication the date, let's use now, because it will allow you to filter later your articles. And also let's add text, but let's keep it empty at the moment. And then save form. And you will probably need to do all this stuff for the first time only. Later it will be, all this thing will be automatically. And let's check bookmarks. You can see that it has the name, it has the image. We can add another image, for example, select image, and we can select this image. We can also capture visible area, like that's extract page content, which is very important. Date, text, let's do some text, and save page. And then when we save page, we just can open directly this page in Notion, and you can check and see how it looks in Notion. Like the whole article text is here, and you can also check that it appeared in the database. It is very useful to use this gallery view, for example. Here you can see this article, and here you can apply also necessary filters by dates, for example, or by type of the content, of by text, whatever filters you would like to apply. So that's how, and let's probably also check how it works now with another article. When we already did all necessary settings, you can just, you see, it already predefined. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.